Children, good morning. Take your course book, children. Okay, children, this is your English class. Take your course book, children, all of you. Open page number 21. Now, our new lesson is Tiny Turtle Wants a Friend. Our lesson title name is what, children? Tiny Turtle Wants a Friend. Here see, children, what is this? This is a tiny turtle. This is a tiny turtle. Yes, see, a tiny turtle was very sad as he was alone. He wanted a friend. One tiny turtle is there that is very sad. Why? Because she was alone and also he wanted a friend. See, children, here next picture. In this picture, what are they? One tiny turtle and what is this? Yes, this one is crazy crab. This one is crazy crab. See, children, he looked under the rock and found a crazy crab. The tiny turtle looked under the rock and found a crazy crab. I want a friend. I want to find a friend, said the tiny turtle. Here see, children. I want to find a friend, said the tiny turtle. So in that time, I can be your friend, said the crazy crab. Here tiny turtle want to find a friend only like a tiny turtle only, little tiny turtle. But here crazy crab said to tiny turtle, I can be your friend. No, I am looking for a little turtle like me, said the tiny turtle. But this tiny turtle did not accept the crazy crab as a friend. You can come along to help me. Both of them set off to find a friend. Both are going and also find a friend for tiny turtle. Okay, children. Next picture. In this picture, what are the children? See carefully. This is tiny turtle. Tiny turtle wants a friend. Yes or no? But crazy crab also find a friend for little tiny turtle. Both are going. In that time, what is this one? Seahorse. They found a seahorse. They found a bottle and saw a seahorse behind it. In that time, little tiny turtle said to sweet seahorse, I want a friend. Next, little sweet seahorse said to tiny turtle, I can be your friend. In that time, the tiny turtle said to sweet seahorse, no, I am looking for a little turtle like me only. Next, you can come along to help me. If you want to find a friend for me, you can come along to help me. The tiny turtle, the crazy crab and the sweet seahorse set off to find a friend. Now, the little tiny turtle and crazy crab and also sweet seahorse are set off to find a friend for little tiny turtle. See, children, next. What are they, children, in this picture? Little tiny turtle, crazy crab. This one? Very good. Sweet seahorse and also shy stream. They came across the big brown sieve. They found a shy stream in that sieve. In that time, the little tiny turtle said to shy stream, I want a friend. So, in the time, shy stream said to little tiny turtle that I can be your friend. But the little tiny turtle did not accept and also said, I want a little tiny turtle only. You can come along to help me. If you want to help me, come along to me. There are tiny turtle and crazy crab, sweet seahorse and also shy stream set off to find a friend now. See children carefully. Here the little tiny turtle, crazy crab, sweet seahorse and shy stream set off a friend for little tiny turtle. See children what happened after. See children here page number 23, next page. Here what are the children in this picture? The little tiny turtle, crazy crab, sweet seahorse, shy stream and also what is this one ma? Very good. Jolly jellyfish. This one is jolly jellyfish. They saw a cave and inside it lived the jolly jellyfish. In that time, I want a friend, said the tiny turtle to the jolly jellyfish. So, jolly jellyfish said to tiny turtle, I can be your friend. I can be your friend. But tiny turtle accept that one? No. And also said, I am looking for a tiny turtle only, not you. If you help me, you can come along to me. So, finally, the little tiny turtle, the crazy crab, sweet seahorse, shy stream and also jolly jellyfish set off to find a friend for little tiny turtle here. Okay children, see the next picture here. In this picture, what are they? The little tiny turtle, crazy crab, sweet seahorse, shy stream, this one jolly jellyfish and also turtle also is there. This one is old talkative turtle. On the sandy seahorse they found an old talkative turtle. Yes, they said, I am looking for a small turtle like me. In the time, the tiny turtle said to old talkative turtle, I want a friend. I am looking for a small turtle like me. In that time, the old talkative turtle said to tiny turtle, your friends are not those who look like you. Your friends are not those who look like you, but those who stay with you. But those who stay with you, that are only your real friends. Your friends are not those who look like you, said the tiny turtle. The tiny turtle looked around. The tiny turtle looked around and realized that the old talkative turtle was right. Then she said, I don't need to find a small talkative turtle like me. I have already so many friends with me. They all became good friends and lived happily ever after. See children, finally tiny turtle got many friends not like him. Yes, children. Here, see children, underline this tiny turtle, T-I-N-Y, tiny, T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle, tiny turtle. Underline this hard word mark and write your rough notebook, each one 5 times. Underline the hard words now. Next, C-R-A-Z-Y, crazy, C-R-A-B, crab, crazy, crab, C-R-A-Z-Y, crazy, C-R-A-B, crab, crazy crab. See children, next page, sweet seahorse, S-W-E-E-T, sweet, S-C-A, C-H-O-R-S-E, horse, seahorse, sweet seahorse. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Next, shy stream, S-H-Y, shy, S-H-R-I-M-P, stream, shy stream. Underline this word. Jolly jellyfish, J-O-L-L-Y, jolly, J-E-L-L-Y, jelly, F-I-S-H, fish, jellyfish, jolly jellyfish. Next, world talkative turtle, world, T-A-L-K-A-T-I-V-E, talkative, T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle, world talkative turtle. Okay children, learn this lesson carefully ma. The little tiny turtle was very sad. Why? Because this one is alone, and also he finds a friend. He looking a little tiny turtle only, for little tiny turtle only. But first he found crazy crab. Next, sweet seahorse. First one is crazy crab. Second one, sweet seahorse. And third one he found shy stream. Next, he found jolly jellyfish. Finally, the little tiny turtle decide they are my good friends. What are the children? What are his friends? Crazy crab and sweet seahorse, shy stream and jolly jellyfish. Okay children, the old talkative turtle said to tiny turtle. That's why only the little tiny turtle realized, my friends are not those look like me, but those who stay with me are the real friends. They are my good friends only. Okay children, learn this lesson and also write these hard words, each one 5 times in your rough notebook children. Okay, we will meet again in next class children. Thank you. Bye.